question for you. What do you do when your insurance company offers way less than you need to fix your house? Many people think they're stuck, but there's a powerful tool called insurance appraisal that can turn a lowball offer into a fair payout. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what appraisal is, when you should request one, and how it can literally save your claim. Stick with me because in the last section, I'm actually going to share a real story where an appraisal boosted a homeowner's payout by more than 1,000%. And it might work for you too. An insurance appraisal is a formal process built into many homeowners policies. When you and your homeowner's insurance can't agree on the amount of loss, you can demand an appraisal. And here's how it works. You choose an appraiser, the insurance company chooses an appraiser, and then the two appraisers choose a neutral third party to be the umpire. And essentially, it's a panel that determines the value of the loss. Think of it like in sports, except the score over here is going to be the amount of your claim. And in the next section, I'll show you exactly when to pull this trigger for maximum impact. Appraisal is not right for every claim, and timing is everything. So, if your insurance company made an offer, but it's far below the amount you think it's going to cost to repair or the estimates you're receiving, and negotiations haven't gotten you anywhere, that's your cue. It's especially useful when the carrier acknowledges that there's damage, but what's in question is the amount of the claim. For example, they may agree your roof is damaged, but say it's only $10,000 to fix it. Your contractor, on the other hand, tells you it's $30,000. An appraisal can help you get this paid properly. And stay with me in the next part. I'm going to break down how an appraisal can lead to a way bigger payout with real-life success stories. Here's the big payoff. A client we worked with was originally offered only $8,000 after a hurricane damaged their house. We knew the damages were over $100,000. So we demanded appraisal, we presented detailed damage documentation, and we even had an independent expert back us up on this. After the process, we were able to get an award for $112,000. And that's not a rare outcome. When done right, an appraisal can turn a lowball offer into the money you actually need to repair your house. End of the day, if you've been underpaid and are frustrated with the insurance company's numbers, don't give up. An appraisal might be your best next step. At Panther Public Adjusting, we know exactly how and when to use the appraisal process to get you the payout you deserve. So, call us now, 833-726-8437. You can email us at claims@pantherpa.com or go to our website, pantherpa.com, and fill out the contact form. Don't let an insurance company have the final say. Let's fight to make sure your claim is valued fairly.